Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack. It has a clean Carfax report and comes with power heated side mirrors, perimeter lights, lightly tinted glass, and much more. The 2015 Dodge Challenger boasts a rare mix of talents, combining the power and attitude of a muscle car with the refinement of a luxury coupe. This Challenger has 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire mobility kit and a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, this Challenger is in great condition. It has fully automatic aero composite halogen daytime running headlamps with delay off, along with fog lights, hood scoops, and a nice black grille with chrome accents to tie it all together. Under the hood, you have a 392 HEMI 8-cylinder 6.4-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Challenger has rear-wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive 17 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Challenger has only 36,809 miles on it. At the back of the Challenger, you can see the shark fin antenna, the lip spoiler, and the large LED brake lights, along with dual exhaust, the parking sensors, and the sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. This Challenger even has a comfortable back seat with cup holders for carpooling with family and friends. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable heated and cooled leather trim seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Challenger is also equipped with mobile hotspot internet access, a locking glove box, and a push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the trunk release, the headlights, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with front row express down. This Challenger has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather wrapped steering wheel with on-wheel controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy: the tilting and sliding power moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia and navigation features and is paired with 6 performance speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio. It's SiriusXM and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.